I'm Lizzie and welcome to Lizzie Love Art. Today we are going to do 4 individual paintings, 25 centimeters by 25 by 4 centimeter high gallery canvases. This is a tutorial that is using a swipe, a puddle pour and a blow technique. In the end we will have 4 individual paintings that we can group together to make a floral wall. Here are some ideas for decorating. Imagine something like this, or some other ideas like this. So let's get started. Colors, various tints and tones of hues of blues and greens. And then for our flowers, we'll be using lemon, gold, metallic bronze, gold and copper, and for our swipe colors, black and white. So here is our canvas. We have thumbtacks underneath so we can handle it easily, and we're going to do a diagonal double swipe diagonally with black and then with white. So first the thing that we do is lay down some black paint, 1 part Mars Black, 2 parts Floetrol, no silicone, and cover that side of the canvas. Remove your masking tape, and on the other side we'll use white, 1 part titanium white, 2 parts Floetrol, and no silicone. Make sure to cover your sides. Even it out as much as you can. And now you are ready to get your pipette and start adding colors. All of the colors that we're adding, I'm adding them diagonally across the canvas, the same direction as the central line. Same colors on both sides, both the black side and the white side, and randomly placed with our pipette. Our colors, all of our colors other than our swipe colors and the base, all of our colors are 1 part paint and 2 parts Floetrol, and then add some water to get the right honey consistency. For your swipe, black and white, I add a little extra water so that I get good coverage and it's slightly thinner than the colored paints. Dimethicone is added to all the colors, 2 drops of OGX Nourishing Coconut Serum. It is just, it's amazing on your hair, and it's just wonderful for this type of fluid art and for swipes, because it gives you the multicolored bullet cells. So it's really quite lovely. The flowers will be gold and yellow, and so we will add a bit of that into the background so that a small amount of color is all across the canvas, and this means that our eye is not drawn to one section of color, but our eye will cover the entire canvas. So we'll add a little bit of that. There's our metallic golds. The metallic shows up quite well when it's dry. Metallic copper and metallic bronze. Add a little bit extra of the gold. Now we add our slightly thinner paint to swipe. Take a paper towel and drag it across. We are at 8 times speed here, so drag it more slowly. Add the white. Do the same, drag it across diagonally, and then use the paper towel to pad the sides so that you can get coverage down the sides and quick cell formation. I'm using a heat gun here because my swipe was a little thick and I want a few more cells to pop up. And you can see these beautiful cells coming up, and I'll just go around and tidy up the side of the canvas and make sure that I don't have any gaps. close-up of the cells, aren't they lovely? I have some still pictures at the end of this video so that you can see them even better. So now we're adding our puddles for our flowers. We'll start with metallic gold, add white, lemon, and then we just blow them and create our flowers. For the stem and leaf, we take a swizzle stick or a shish kebab pointed wooden stick, and I'm adding some of the copper, metallic copper, so that I can have copper leaves, and I'll be highlighting with the golden diamonds, so that they're all metallic leaves, and then the flowers are partly metallic. You can see that I'm drawing in some leaves, and the little leaves of it right underneath the flowers. I had a drop there, so I just made it into a leaf. Nobody knows what it's supposed to look like anyway, including me. So now I'm taking some black paint, and on the white side I am drawing petals and using the black like a shadow, and then I will take white on the black side and use that as the shadow so that I can get some delineation of petals to make them look a little bit more like flowers. It also helps me to define the leaves, black on the white side, and then using white on the black side. There we go with the white, just so that they stand out a little bit from the background. And put some highlights. It just gives the leaves a little bit more definition. We'll be zooming in for some close-ups here, and then I have some stills, and you can look at some of other home decorating ideas. This series of 4 paintings is available for sale. So here are each of the 4, or here's one of the paintings, and the end of this one, and then I'll give you a close-up of the other 4 that we've done. Look at those beautiful cells. All of these paintings are available for sale. Check out the small black and white lacing that we're getting, and see how the gold colours come through, and that spreads your eye all over the canvas, not just on the flowers. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell if you'd like to be notified when I do new tutorials. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4 gallery style canvases, 25 by 25, 4 centimeters high. Here's arranging them with all the dark side in the center. And here are some decorating ideas. Create your own floral wall, or contact me and you can purchase my art. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. It was sure fun making it. Here again is a collection of 4 with the lighter shade in the center, now the darker corners in the center. And you can keep doing all sorts of things on stairwells and odd-shaped walls. Marvelous idea, floral collections.